Good day friends, and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of food truck business, so let's get started. A food truck business is a mobile culinary venture that serves and sells food from a specially designed vehicle. Food trucks have gained immense popularity in recent years due to their flexibility, affordability, and ability to bring delicious and diverse cuisine to various locations. The food truck industry offers entrepreneurs an opportunity to showcase their culinary skills and creativity without the need for a traditional brick-and-mortar restaurant. Operating a food truck involves several key aspects. First and foremost, the menu is crucial, as it determines the types of dishes and cuisines offered to customers. Food truck owners often focus on a specific niche or theme to differentiate themselves and attract a target audience. Additionally, location selection plays a significant role in the success of a food truck business. By strategically positioning the truck in high-traffic areas such as business districts, parks, or events, operators can maximize their visibility and customer reach. Finally, marketing and customer engagement are essential for building a loyal customer base. Social media platforms and online review sites can be powerful tools to promote the truck, interact with customers, and keep them informed about the truck's schedule and menu changes. Getting started in the food truck business involves several steps and considerations. Here's a general guide to help you begin. Research and planning. Start by researching the local food truck market in your area. Identify popular cuisines, target customer demographics, and potential locations. Analyze competitors to understand their offerings and pricing. Create a solid business plan that includes your concept, menu, pricing strategy, and marketing approach. Licensing and permits. Check the local regulations and requirements for operating a food truck business. Obtain the necessary licenses, permits, and certifications, which may include a business license, food handler's permit, and parking permits for specific locations. Comply with health and safety regulations by ensuring proper food handling, storage, and hygiene practices. Financing. Determine your startup costs, including purchasing or leasing a food truck, kitchen equipment, initial inventory, permits, and marketing expenses. Explore financing options such as personal savings, loans, or investors. Consider creating a budget and financial projections to estimate ongoing expenses and potential revenue. Menu development. Design a menu that reflects your culinary expertise and suits your target market. Keep it simple, focusing on a few signature dishes or a specific cuisine. Consider sourcing quality ingredients and offering vegetarian, vegan, or gluten-free options to cater to diverse preferences. Acquiring a food truck. Choose between purchasing a new or used food truck or retrofitting an existing vehicle. Ensure that the truck meets health and safety standards, has a well-designed kitchen layout, and has necessary utilities like water supply, electricity, and ventilation. Customize the truck to reflect your branding and create an inviting customer experience. Finding locations. Identify high-traffic areas, such as office complexes, parks, festivals, or popular event venues, where you can park your food truck. Research local regulations regarding parking and permits. Build relationships with event organizers and property owners to secure regular spots. Marketing and promotion. Create a strong brand identity and develop a marketing strategy to attract customers. Utilize social media platforms, a website, and online food truck directories to promote your business. Engage with your target audience by sharing enticing food photos, announcing specials, and responding to customer inquiries. Consider participating in local food truck festivals or partnering with other businesses for cross-promotion. Customer experience. Focus on providing excellent customer service and a memorable experience. Ensure efficient ordering and payment processes, maintain cleanliness, and train staff to be friendly and knowledgeable. Collect customer feedback and use it to continuously improve your offerings and operations. Remember, the food truck industry can be highly competitive, so it's essential to stay adaptable, innovative, and connected to your customers' preferences. By carefully planning, executing your vision, and delivering delicious food, you can increase your chances of success in the food truck business. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, consider giving us a like as well as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.